back to our channel, and today we're gonna unbox YL deliveries. Yeah, I got 2 deliveries for YL. One is my monthly ER for October, and the other one is my free diffuser. I'm so excited. Another free diffuser. This is actually my 4th diffuser in less than 2 months, so I'm excited. Let's unbox this thing. Let's see what kind of diffuser it is. I know what it is, but I'm just gonna show it to you guys. Oh, I'm so kilig. Actually, this free diffuser, you're supposed to request it 3 months after 3 months of consecutive 100 PV order. But this promo, they said when I requested it, it's already finished last May. So they declined my request to get this free diffuser. I was really upset about that, but then I tried to call the customer service, and they were really generous and still give it to me. So I got lucky. Oh, it comes with 2 free oils too. Let's see what all it comes with. Citrus Fresh and lavender. Citrus Fresh and lavender. I thought it's supposed to be lavender and purification, but I like Citrus Fresh better, so I won't complain about that. So this is a Dewdrop Diffuser. Never seen one before in person, so I don't have this yet, so I'm so excited. Let's unbox it. Here's the manual, the power. Oh, and this one. Whee! Okay. It's smaller than I thought.
Pause ka muna.
Oh, it's bigger. It's
Go.
Oh, it's more manly in design. So it's perfect if your husband wants his own diffuser, or if you have if you want to give it to a guy. It's bigger inside, but it's a little bit smaller than my desert mist. Let's try to. So now we're gonna try to open it. See how it works. So now, yeah. Can you plug it, please? Assistant. I wonder if you can test it without putting water. Paper. It's not good. So yeah, put a little bit of water. Have to turn it on. Ooh, it has full light. So it says, see, it's diffusing. You have to. Let's change the colors or the light. I think this one's dim light. Oh, flicker. It's a candle flicker light. Wow. Look at that. This one has a changing color setting. Pretty much the same as my desert mist. I think this has 10 lights as well. Green. It's nice. It's nice too. Yeah, you can see the light very clearly. It's a little bit smaller than the... Can you pass me the desert mist, please? See, desert mist is a little bit bigger, but I think they have same price. But this one is more of a female style, and this one is more manly. I think if you also press this one, the on button, it's gonna change its mode. It's in high. Does it change? Turn. Change. Yeah, it comes in 3 modes, I think. The high, low, and the on and off as well. There we go. See how it blows. Blows really hard. If it's on high, it's gonna run for 4 to 5 hours. If you put it in low setting, it's gonna run up to 8 hours. And you put it on the third setting, which is intermittent, it's gonna run for 10 hours. So yeah, we usually, if we run it in intermittent setting, we usually wake up and it's still on, so it's nice. There you go. This is my free diffuser from Young Living. Very generous. Thank you so much. I love free stuffs. I'm so happy. All right, that's it.